In Colorado, Governor Polis extending the mandatory mask mandate for another month as the state health department reports another 3,500 cases of COVID-19 the last 24 hours. Hospitalizations now sit over 1,000. Our 7-day positivity rate now inching closer to 12%. New tonight, officials in Pueblo continue to sound the alarm as COVID-19 cases skyrocket. Nowhere is that rise more evident than the state's testing site at the state fairgrounds. That's where we find News 5's Spencer Humphrey with what officials there are saying tonight. Spencer.
Yeah, well, Rob, it's all quiet out here right now, but earlier today, the line of cars waiting to get tested at the state fairgrounds here just stretched for blocks and blocks, stretched farther than any of these cones that we see here down Mesa Avenue. And at a meeting with Mayor Gradisar and county health leaders this afternoon, they made it clear they are not ruling out taking more restrictions to slow the spread.
If you plan on getting tested for COVID-19 in Pueblo, you'd be smart to fill up your gas tank first.
Like the rest of the state, we're obviously experiencing a large spike in cases here.
The line to get tested at the state fairgrounds, long as it's ever been.
People are feeling sicker. There's more exposure. There's increased numbers in the communities.
The numbers just keep rising.
And as of last Friday, November the 6th, we've had 556 cases in November.
Out of Pueblo County's over 3,000 total cases so far, some quick math will tell you this month has contributed more than its share.
Our numbers are continuing to go up, and they're going up at a pretty fast rate.
Don't let where the county sits on that dial deceive you.
Our Pueblo numbers right now on the COVID dial say we should be staying at home.
This is not just a Pueblo problem. It's a Colorado problem.
I guess I can imagine situations where the virus is so out of control that we've got to impose some drastic restrictions that individual counties wouldn't be able to do on their own.
On Monday, though, the only new statewide restrictions from the governor came in an extension of the state's mask order. Meanwhile, people back here in Pueblo still wait.
We could always use more testing, but the reality is across the state is that we have the resources that we have.
They wait, hoping they don't run out of gas or patience.
Now, of course, the city's still under that 10 p.m. curfew order the mayor implemented to help deter gatherings after dark. The mayor says it's still too early to know how that order may have affected things, but if the numbers keep rising like they currently do, he says it's likely it will be extended. Always watching out for you, Pueblo. Spencer Humphrey, News 5.